Hey everyone, I'm Erica from the blog Buttered Side Up, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sourdough hamburger buns. These are a great way to use your sourdough starter in the summer. Alright, let me show you how to make them.
You want to start with a mature sourdough starter that's been fed 6 to 12 hours previously and is active and bubbly. Pour 3/4 cup of water into the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 1 cup or 240 grams of sourdough starter. Crack in an egg. Add 3½ cups or 465 grams of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of unrefined sea salt, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/4 cup of grass-fed butter that's been melted and cooled. Place the bowl of the stand mixer on the base of the machine. Turn the mixer on to medium-low and knead for 15 minutes or until the dough is quite elastic. The dough should clean the sides of the bowl but not the bottom. Place the dough in a buttered bowl, turning once to grease the top of the dough. Cover and allow to rise for 6 to 12 hours or until doubled in bulk. Plop the dough out onto a greased work surface. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. You can weigh the dough if you want the hamburger buns to be very even. Grab a piece of dough and pull the corners into the middle to start forming a ball. Cup your hands around the ball and roll it across your work surface to create surface tension. Place the ball on a greased cookie sheet. Flatten it out into a bun shape. Repeat with remaining dough pieces. Cover with a tea towel and allow to rise for 2 to 6 hours or until the buns are quite puffy. In a small bowl, whisk an egg. Brush the tops of the buns with the egg. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from oven and place on a wire rack to cool. Cool completely before slicing.
So that's how to make my sourdough hamburger buns. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more recipe videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.